Hello and good day. This is how to link website on Offerup. So in order to actually link a website on Offerup, that actually is against Offerup's rules, okay? So according to Offerup's terms of services, you cannot link your website to an Offerup listing. And so Offerup's posting rules actually prohibit users from posting URLs or linking to websites. So essentially what that looks like is if you put a website link in your description, let's say google.com. Now I'm not actually going to post this. Your website link will actually get flagged and your listing will get taken down and you might get a penalty. So my recommendation is that, keep your URLs and links to your website aside and off of Offerup just because it's against their rules. You don't want to be able to include details like that just because you don't want to penalize your Offerup account. So unfortunately, I'm sorry this is like unfortunate news for you, but yeah, it's against Offerup's posting rules to prohibit users from posting URLs or linking to websites. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below.